How to log in Citizens Bank online banking. First of all, go to the Start option and click on it. Then, search for your preferred browser name here and click to open it. Now, go to google.com at the address bar. Search for Citizens Bank in the Google search bar. Then scroll and find the search result and click on it to open it. At the page, click on Login to start. Then, choose your preferred account. Again, click on Login. Put your login user ID here. Your password is here. Click on this option to remember your login credentials for future use. If you have any trouble, click on this option. If you are a new user, click on Enroll Now. Finally, click on Login.